Hello everyone, this is Kartikeya. Welcome to my channel Rimcard. Today I am going to say some facts about light. First, what is meant by light? Light is an electromagnetic radiation within the portion of electromagnetic spectrum that can be perceived by the human eye. Now, some facts about light. All humans have the ability to see ultraviolet light, but it is passively filtered out by the eye's lens. Patients who undergo surgery to remove the lens can detect ultraviolet light. In 1999, Harvard physicist Leon Haw was able to slow down light to 17 meters per second, and in 2001 was able to stop light completely. Some areas in Scotland and Japan switched to blue street lights at night and saw a decrease in crime and suicide rates. LED traffic lights have led to car crashes and deaths in the past. Since they emit too little heat to melt snow and ice, they block the lights. A team of developers are taking the glow in the dark enzyme that is found in species of jellyfish and fireflies and are creating bioluminescent trees. These trees can potentially light up public streets while being energy neutral. Supersonic aircraft or bullets produce sonic boom when waves generated by the supersonic body propagate at the speed of sound itself. Similarly, for light, a blue glow is emitted when something travels faster than the speed of light moving through a medium. When in space, astronauts sometimes see random flashes of light caused by cosmic rays hitting the optic nerve. We don't see it on Earth because the magnetosphere protects us from the rays. The Hope diamond glows red when exposed to UV light, fueling its cursed reputation. Betelgeuse is a massive star 450 light years away that may go supernova at any time between now and 3 lakh years and will outshine the moon at night and be clearly visible during the day. Humans are bioluminescent. However, the light emitted by our body is 1000 times weaker than our eyes can pick up. Peacock feathers are actually brown but have microscopic structures that interfere with light that make the bright iridescence. Ordinary pressure sensitive tape, also called as scotch tape, displays a glowing line where the end of the tape is being pulled away from the roll. It can be seen in the dark. A long forgotten neon lamp that was switched on during the Great Depression and left burning for about 77 years was discovered hidden behind the dusty partition of a cafeteria in Los Angeles. The fixture had been walled off and forgotten in a basement nook where it proceeded to rack up over $17,000 in electrical bills. There is a deep sea fish named stoplight loosejaw that takes advantages of the fact that fish can't see red light and illuminates its prey with a beam of red bioluminescence so it can hunt with an effectively invisible beam of light. The element selenium conducts electricity only when a dark light is shined on it. In the dark, it is an insulator. An estimated one third of the population will often sneeze when looking at sun or a bright source of light. This is due to genetic quirk known as the photic sneeze reflex, a condition described by neurologists as having to do with crossed wires in the brain. NASA mapped the Earth at night and discovered that half of the uninhabited part of the Australia is on fire, producing even more light than the capital cities. Due to time dilation, one could travel thousands of light years in a single human lifespan without exceeding the speed of light. A jiffy is an actual unit of time. It is the time that takes for light to travel 1 centimeters in a vacuum, which is about 33.3564 picoseconds. Tachyons, those are hypothetical particles that could travel faster than light, would experience time in reverse. They would have imaginary mass as in square root of minus 1. Adding kinetic energy would slow them down. An infinite amount of energy would be needed to slow them to the speed of the light. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and meet you in the next video.